Sips by. You're going straight to my heart. Good morning, everyone. I'm here today to bring you something that's a little different than usual on my channel. I do like to do unboxings, but typically they are beauty related. However, I wanted to share with you my Sips by box that I just received. I really enjoy, beauty and makeup, but I love my tea. You may notice usually I always have a teacup here, and wandering around the house all day, I pretty much always have tea with me and sometimes double fisted. So I was really excited to try this box. So I've actually tried it before, but I canceled it just because I had so much tea. So, everything I've been doing with panning and everything, I actually had a goal last year of using up my tea. I had a lot of tea and I would just repurchase my favorites and then not use the stuff I had. So I have been cleaning out my tea drawer and I feel like I can finally start buying tea again. So what Sips by is and why it got my attention as opposed to other tea subscription services, because I've tried others before, but this one actually goes by a profile that you fill out, which is so important to me. Other tea services I've tried, while they would send good tea and good informational cards and things, they would send a lot of tea I didn't like. I really hate berry flavored tea, and it's okay if it's iced, but I drink most of my tea hot. I didn't want hibiscus, I didn't want certain things. And this has actually a pretty in-depth profile that you fill out about the type of tea you like to drink. Then they base what they send you around your profile. So I'm excited to see what's in here. To see if they followed my profile. And so I think it's $15 a month. And they send you enough, tea can generally be received at least once. So I think they say I'm going to look up exactly for how much cups of tea. So here's the card that comes with it. It says January teas, and then it gives you a little hashtag to use, and then all the information about the teas that come inside. It comes with these, which I just love. This is like a reusable muslin tea bag, but on the inside, it comes with a bunch of these that you can use. They are tea bags that you can use for your loose leaf in case maybe your tea steeper is dirty or you don't have it sometimes. I've actually used these quite a lot and I really enjoy them, and I'm happy they send them along on each order. Oh, what my cat do? They're just being naughty back there, knocking things off the table. As cats do. All right, so let's get into what's actually inside. I'm really excited. They have many different, the other thing that I really like about Sips by as opposed to other tea subscription services is they actually will send you tea from many, many, many different companies. A lot of them will mix the tea themselves, which is okay, but I actually really enjoy getting to try all these different brands. So let me see, the first one is from a company called Bare Leaves. Fujian Oolong. Sips by. You're going straight to my heart. Oolong is my favorite. It says this oolong was grown in eastern Fujian province, China. It has a medium oxidation level and a toasty flavor. I wanted to try a tea out for you guys today. This might be the winner. We'll see what else we have. All right, next. Something called Made of Tea and Nothing Else. Organic, and I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm very sorry. Is it Shui Xian Oolong? From China. Another oolong! Yes! Oh, yes! It says that this tea, which translates to water sprite, is a famous rock tea that originates from the Fujian province, China. Grown in the mineral-rich cliffs of the Wuyi Mountains, this oolong is heavily roasted and oxidized with a rich toasty flavor. I have had Wuyi grown oolong before, and it's wonderful. Oh, which one am I gonna pick? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, next, we have this package from Udyan tea, finest tea from the origin. Kadak Masala chai. Yes, I love me some chai. Excellent, excellent. And that's nice. These are all nice size packets too. There'll be lots of tea in these to use. And lastly, something from Leaf of the East, Sun Moon Lake, number 18, Black Assam. Ooh, and this one is from Taiwan. It's a Taiwanese black tea. Yes. So they hit it out of the park for me, sending me these teas. I love teas that are not flavored unless it's Earl Grey. But I don't like the additional flavorings that they throw in. A lot of times it makes them just icky to me. And these are exactly the type of teas I would drink. So if you guys would like to drink tea with me, put on your pot, we're gonna make some. So, how's your tea this morning? Oh, this is everything I wanted it to be. I love oolong tea. It's like between green tea and black tea and its roastiness, I guess, but there's so many different varieties you can get. You can get ones that are really green tea tasting, ones that have more kind of like a vegetable flavor, other ones that are more roasted like this one. I vary between which is my favorite. Right now, this toasted one is exactly what I needed this morning. For what it's worth, I'm usually with a big mug of tea. I decided to be extra fancy today. So when you get your sipsbybox, you can go on their website and leave reviews for the teas. And I think you can, I don't know if you buy from their website or they link you to the websites where you can buy the tea. I'm not positive on that. But in any case, I'm happy that you can leave reviews, and hopefully if you like something, they will continue to send you things like that tea. I'm very pleased with my first month back to Sipsby after a long time away. It was excellent. Let me know, what kind of tea do you guys like to drink? Or if you're not a tea drinker, what is your beverage of choice? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me again today. This was a really fun one to film. I hope that you are staying warm and cozy wherever you are. Have a great day, guys. And if you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. We'll see you next time. Bye.